This is AP News Minute. President Barack Obama has made a primetime pitch for health care reform. Obama told reporters in a news conference Wednesday evening that he's in a rush to get legislation passed because he gets letters every day from families that are, quote, being clobbered by health care costs. A lawyer for Michael Jackson's doctor says authorities are looking for evidence of manslaughter in the pop star's death. Officers spent more than 2 hours in Dr. Conrad Murray's Houston clinic combing through his records. Murray has not been named a suspect in the case. Authorities in San Francisco have released this surveillance video of a light rail crash that left 4 people seriously injured. The National Transportation Safety Board officials say they haven't found any indication of mechanical failure. Investigators are looking at human error as the cause of the crash. Dallas area police looking for a very unusual robbery suspect. The owner of this lawn and garden shop says a security camera captured a monkey stealing about $300 worth of flowers, statues, and plants. One interesting thing, he left behind a banana tree. Brian Thomas, The Associated Press, with AP News Minute.